Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're covering online shopping, an everyday activity for millions of people. From placing an order to tracking a delivery and returning an item, you'll need these phrases constantly. The online shopping process begins when you browse a website and add items to your basket or cart, as it's called on American websites. When you're ready to buy, you go to checkout, where you enter your delivery address and payment details and confirm your order. At checkout, you might also enter a discount code or voucher code to save money. After placing an order, you'll usually receive a confirmation email with an estimated delivery date and a tracking number. The tracking number lets you follow your parcel's journey. You might check it and see, your parcel is out for delivery, it should arrive today. Or, your parcel is at the local depot, delivery will be attempted tomorrow. Sometimes things go wrong. Your item might arrive late, come damaged, or simply not be what you expected. In that case, you'll need to return it. Before buying, always check the returns policy. This tells you how long you have to return an item and whether you get a full refund or a store credit. To return an item, you usually print a returns label, pack the item securely, and drop it off at a post office or hand it to a courier, a private delivery company. You might say, "I've printed the label and I'm sending it back today. How long does the refund take?" Leaving a review after your purchase is also common. A review is your feedback about the product and the service. Honest reviews help other shoppers make decisions. You might write, 5 stars, the quality is excellent and it arrived ahead of schedule. Today, we covered ordering, tracking, returns, and reviews. Online shopping is full of useful English. Practice it every time you shop. See you next lesson.